Hello, this is Leo Page at MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and today I'm going to show you this extremely rare opportunity we have for a pre-owned 2019 Harris 230 Sunliner. A few things about Harris worth mentioning is our boats are truly built for saltwater and choppy water. We have our patented torsion reduction system, which gives you some key unique features like our tongue and groove decking, as well as our full-length M-channel brackets and more cross members than anyone else in the industry. As you come along to the side of the boat, you'll notice our fencing comes all the way up to right above the top, or right below the top of the furniture. Gives you better protection from dock strikes. So we move around to the back. This boat has our very unique and extremely well-selling single lounger floor plan. So you get an expansive rear deck on this boat with stainless steel rails all the way around, stainless steel tow arch, Mercury 150 horsepower 4-stroke outboard engine featuring hydraulic steering, 36 gallons of fuel capacity on this boat as well, so the fun doesn't have to stop for a fuel stop. So you'll see now we're in the interior of this 2019 Harris 230 Sunliner. The Sunliner gives you a few nice upgrades over the entry-level Harris boats. We have our soft touch quilted upholstery, integrated armrest, as well as our integrated smartphone pockets and cup holders on all places on the furniture through the boat. So a few key features on the Harris as well as our sprung gates that feature 400-pound full-length gate stops, as you can see there. In-floor storage. So we come around to our all fiberglass helm featuring all stainless steel hardware through the Harris, once again built for the saltwater. Take a look at our helm, very ergonomically laid out, extremely comfortable high back helm seat with dual armrest, Fusion 4-speaker audio system, as well as RGB LED lighting through the whole boat in both cup holders and under the seat bases. So you come around, you'll notice you get the nice big U-shaped settee with the reversible lounger. Opening up onto the transom of the boat gives you a nice big sunbed when you're ready to lay out, or flip it forward and have the integrated cockpit seating. Tons of storage featured underneath all of our furniture, which is all rotocast plastic as well. So my name's Leo Page. Give me a call directly, area code 407-394-7623, or for the largest selection of new and pre-owned boats on the Gulf Coast.